Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix share my location is not working in iPhone. So, the very first thing here, we need to go to the settings first, and then we will go to privacy and security to fix share my location. So, we have found the privacy and security, and here we have the location service. We will click on that. Make sure location service is turned on. So once it is turned on, you can also check whether it's precised location on is or not. Now, once this is done, come back and go back again and search for my, find my. So here we have typed find space my. So here we have find my settings, share my location, find my. So we will click on that, and here find my iPhone should be turned on and share my location should be also turned on. You can also select the send my last location. So this is very important. And here we have one more thing is to restart up. I mean, after doing these things, we can restart the phone and see if that works for you.